cut operating costs and network downtime with our 1.25 gram optical transceivers, single and dual fiber. Metal housing for superior heat dissipation. 30% fewer failures, more stable network. Single duplex LC interface. Flexible fiber connectivity. Real-time DDM monitoring, predict failures before they happen. Perfect for metro and access networks. No repeaters needed. Single fiber BiDi, one fiber for TECs and ARCs. Carries both transmit and receive signals using two wavelengths. It must be used in pairs. Perfect when fiber is scarce or expensive. Dual fiber, two fibers, TECs and ARCs separate. The difference is that one wavelength, no different transmission direction required, but cross connection is required. TECs need to connect remote ARCs. Before inserting the SF, insertion, align the module with the fiber media converter. Push gently. After inserting the SF module, the LED indicator flashes. The connection process for dual fiber links is identical. The only point to note is that the fibers must be cross-connected. After insert, SF features real-time DDM monitoring, temperature, supply voltage, laser bias current, ARCs or TECs power. AFS have a wide range of applications. FTTH get more subscribers with reliable last-mile connectivity. Surveillance 24/7 video transmission without signal loss. 4G 5G backhaul connect remote sites with confidence. Enterprise LAN connect floors, buildings, and campus networks. Data centers reduce power and cooling costs. Broadcom reliable connectivity for FTX networks.